Hey everyone, I just had to share a fun little trick that I was inspired by, and actually it was a customer that asked me a question and I thought, well, I'm going to try that. So I wanted to get some fun little words and stuff to come into the tag journal that I've been working on in the binder. And the customer asked me if my Epson printer would print on fabric. And I had never tried that with my Epson. So I thought, I am going to do this. So I'm going to tell you my process and kind of show you how it worked out. By the way, it worked out awesome. But here's what I used. So I have this fabric here. It's just kind of it's very lightweight. I would almost call it a muslin almost. A light canvas maybe. Anyway, it's just a woven, really simple fabric, if you can see that up close. But what I did is I took a piece of cardstock. Oh, that was my wrong print. This is cardstock. And I just put down a thin layer of rubber cement. You could probably use a glue stick too. I just like the idea that rubber cement would be awesome because it later will peel right off. And I don't know if glue stick would work as well. So I used rubber cement. I put down my light layer and then I spread my fabric on there. And then I just used my regular old paper trimmer and trimmed off the extra fabric. So I'd make it a perfect rectangle as I could. And then I just printed it in my Epson printer. And I will show you how great this is. So, these words, I'll put a link below, but they have kind of some shading around them. You can see that in the image there on your screen, that there's a little bit of shading there. And I wanted to work with that, so I'm not cutting outside of that. You could have some real fun just getting some plain old words and printing them just as big or as little as you wanted and leaving a nice big fun border around it. That could be super fun. So that'll be something I'll try next. But see this, it just peels right up. And then to add the extra fun, you can kind of fray these edges just a little bit, and it gives you, I'll have to show you with paper behind it so you can see, it gives you this really fun effect kind of with the frayed edges and the cute little words on there. So, you know, 2 thumbs up for this Epson printer. It has done everything I've wanted it to do in all my fun little creative adventures. So anyway, yes, the question is answered. Yes, it does print on fabric. So awesome. I'm excited to try some other fabrics and see what results we get. So just a quick little thing you might want to mess around with and find some fun fabric to print on. So anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy.